Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Well, I am here with an unboxing for Inloveartshop, and I will leave their link and all the link to these awesome dies down below. Please go check them out, and I also have a coupon that if you would use it, you would save some on your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. So let's get started, and let's see the fun dies that I have that I'm going to be playing with. And this one is going to be a blast. And this one is called the You and Me Tree Background Die. And look how cute this die is. And look how big. It is 5.5 by almost 3 1/8. And keep in mind, from what I can tell, this is going to cut into the paper. So it's not going to cut the square out. It's just going to cut into the paper. So I'm super excited to start playing with this. So this is the You and Me Tree Background die. And this one is adorable. I'm going to have plenty to keep me busy, guys. I need it. This is the Flower Scissors die. Look how cute. You know what? I don't think I measured that. I don't know what I was thinking. Look how cute these scissors are. Stinking cute. Looks like they are, it's almost 1 7/8 inches wide. Well, probably almost 2. I think it's 1 7/8. And then you're looking at 4 inches tall. Almost 4 inches tall. So that's a good size die. Isn't that pretty? All those flowers and the scissors. Super fun. So that one is the Flower Scissors die. And this one is the Vintage Candle die. And I'm super excited. You get 2 dies with this one. This would be like your light that goes behind it. And this is your candle and your candlestick in the flame. Is that not adorable? So it looks like your candlestick is going to be right at, well, if I had it right side up, looks like it's going to be 1 1/4 inches wide, and it's going to be almost 3 1/2 inches tall. So that'll be a gorgeous card or tag or anything. Love this. Anything vintage, you know I love. And this is the Believe Word die. Sookie's wanting some attention. Why is it when they don't ever want attention until you get on camera? Here is a Believe beautiful. Hi, honey. Beautiful script word die. And it is 3 1/8 inches tall or wide. Long, and 1 3/4 inches tall. So that's a very nice size word that you could put on any project. So this is the Believe word die. And this is the Plant Field window die. And I want you to look how beautiful this is. You've got your window, and then you've got all of these different plants that you can color piece together. So I'm super excited to play with this one. And this one is 2 1/2 inches wide and 3 7/8 inches tall. So that's a good size windowsill. So that one is the Plant Field window die. And here is the I Love You word die, and it's actually got the shadow behind it. So here's the I Love You, and you've got the hearts, and it's got like the shadow piece on the back. So this would be a perfect, probably 3 by 3 card. Let's see. It might be perfect for a 3 by 3. Well, no, it'd be too tall or too big, but like maybe a 4x4. 4x4. Hey, there you go. But it's an I love you, and it's got the shadow in the back die. And I've got one more, and this one had my eye on it for a long, long, long time. Super excited. This is called the Little Hollow Heart background die. And it's actually going to cut out all these hearts that you can reuse. And then this square. Isn't that beautiful? Talking about some fun. So this one is going to be 4 1/4 inches wide and 5 1/2 inches tall. So perfect card size. Isn't that gorgeous? Super excited. So thank you, Inloveartshop, for sending me all of these fabulous dies. I am so excited to get started and raring to go. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I will be back with the next video. Bye-bye.